Yeah, how do we get the garage open from the outside?
Excellent question.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Beat my son with a rake like that. Do y'all trust your garage door openers this much? Ah! Oh, for you! Oh, fuck! I messed that up.
Can you record this for me?
Tony!
Tony!
We're recording it on the fucking camera!
Tell your ancient mom to get her poo-poo ass outside. Fuck, sorry. Fuck.
Back to one, Tony! So I need to change your eye line a little bit. So Pete, look at me. Are you looking at me?
Yeah, man.
That's weird.
Those luscious eyelashes.
Look at the camera.
Look at camera?
Yeah, man. Flutter, flutter.
Okay, don't just look off of camera. Cody, can you stand just? Okay, so for us, bring it down. Okay, 1 inch up, right there.
We will kill all the elephants.
Money, I think you got it.
Damn it. Now I'm gonna have to masturbate to that guy later on. What do you think you're looking at, you jealous ass shit? That's not the line.
Yeah. That's it?
3 JK 2?
Let's go 3 JK, 3K.
3 JK, 3K.
That works. JK.
Yeah, how do we get the garage open from the outside?
Oh, there's Jamie.
Baby has her needs.
I want one quick shot of